Hey guys, welcome back to episode number 7 Amazon Merchant Niches. My name is Kevin, and in this video I will gonna share coupon niches for Hallowing. Also gonna share one evergreen niches in every video as I do. Niche number 1 is dot day. I know about the Hallowing, but this is really trending right now. So I wanted to give you some quick sort out and let you know about it. If you wanna try and get some sales, check out the BSR. It's really low, under 10,000, 19,000, 32,000, and old design is new, like 13 days ago. Check out this design is 17 days ago. So try to create some design on dot day. But before we move forward, 80% of people watching video is not subscribed. Come on guys, the goal is 500 subscribers this month. Only 200 left. And also, if you wanna make sales in Q4 and grow your business rather than just watching old videos on YouTube, drop a like and subscribe right now. Niche number 2 is Holy Ghost. It's really fresh and brand new. I wanted to give you a quick shout out and share this niche with you. The style is boo with books and text around it, and check the BSR is getting lower and lower. So this is your new 2024 Halloween niche. If you enter 10, this is your chance. But don't forget to check the trademark first. Niche number 3 I got for you is witch. Yes, this is the very popular design with women. Check out the bestseller right now with 70k BSR. And this is the new design. Girls will be girls. Here are some trending design, and you can see BSR is started dropping. Check this design. I am good with. Now you can create some design, and this design style is also scalable. You can change good word with I am mama witch, grandma witch, and so on. Before we move forward, don't forget to do your trademark research first. Don't just direct jump in niches. Niche number 4 is couple matching Halloween. Check out this old design. He is my treat, she is my treat, or she is my boo. I am with skeleton. Also, here are some gaming matching couple design. As a sub niche, the player 1 and player 2. But it's very competitive niche. If you find an cross niche or sub niche, there is always a possibility or opportunity to sell well in these couple matching niches. Niche number 5 is dog Halloween. This niche is gonna be very popular. There is also different way to approach this design. Like here, dots only, like Halloween costume, or another one is text only design. Also you can cross niche with boo graphics to sell good on Etsy. Check out this simple dog design, dog graphics, and happy Halloween written on text, and also this moon type of graphics design is allowed. So you can scale this design with multiple dog breeds. So try to create some new design style and scale with other dog breed. Niche number 6 is bow, a sub niche of Halloween with ghost, even with fall and pumpkin design. I really said 15 plus niches in my last video. If you guys didn't check it out after this. But this is the another simple way to design, and with just adding bow design in any graphic. Check out the BSR is very low, 200k, 300k, and still getting lower and lower by the times, and also it will sell next year too. You can simply find this bow and other graphics on Creative Fabrica. It's just like $3.99 a month. Even if you sell one t-shirt from it, you can get your money back easily. You can find this both tool, Creative Fabrica and Flying Research link in description, and download the elements from here and cross niche with and create your design easily. Special evergreen niche is like create a 5 to 10 design on this month if you are in higher tier to get sales the whole year around. Be creative, find some funny phrases about the lake, use ChatGPT. Check out this design with review and old the forecast with lake life. Check out this the another one, life is better at the lake with board graphics, and BSR is under 500k, so it's getting 1 to 2 sales daily every day, since this is the really broad niche. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy creating design in these niches, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new trending niches finds. I will gonna make videos more valuable day by day. Subscribe and we meet again.